Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be sharing what I do with all this change that I have right here, because people always ask me, since I use cash envelopes and I use cash to pay for a lot of the things that I purchase, and I do have change, what I do with the change. So basically what I do is I collect it in this little bin right here, and then once it gets pretty full like it is right now, I will roll it up. My bank requires me to roll these, so I got this from the bank. I have this nifty little contraption here that I can organize all the coins and get the right amount into each of the wrappers. But I'm basically going to take this to the bank, and whatever money I have here, I will use in my savings challenges. So I just wanted to share how things are before I take it to the bank. So I'm going to first go count all this off camera, get the total, and then I will go to the bank, get the money, and then I'll be able to put that money into savings. So basically this is just another form of savings for me that I'm able to do for myself, just from saving all these coins. I actually have some coins in my card too that I need to grab, and then some still in my purse, but I usually try to dump it out at the end of the week and just add to this growing collection of coins. So now that I'm at a point where I want to take it back to the bank, I'm just going to organize all the coins onto this little coin organizer thing, so that way I can roll them. So I'm going to do that now, and we'll see how much money I have from just saving the coins. So I was able to wrap all the coins that I could into each of the wrappers. I do have a little bit left over, so this will just go back into the bin and just collect for the next time I do this. But let's count how much I have in just coins. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 52, 53, 54, 55, 55, 50 in coins. So I plan on leaving this 50 here, and I'll just save it for the next time I go to get money, because my plan is to take this all to the bank and just get ones. I'm gonna get a bunch of ones. What was it, 50 something? I already forgot. Whatever the amount was in ones. Was it 55, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 52, 53, 54, $55 in ones. And then I'm gonna bring it back here and put this into my savings challenges. All right, so like I said, all of this money will just go back into this little bin to collect for. I'll just collect this for the next time. Oop. This thing is very handy, but sometimes things like that happen. And I got this off of Amazon, so if you're interested, it does help to keep you a little bit organized. But I don't want to take this 50 cents to the bank until I have $1, and I can get that $1 and actually make it a $1 bill and put that into my savings challenges. So that's why I'm saving that 50 cents for another time, but all of this will go back to the bank. All right, I am back. I have the cash. I'm just gonna put all this stuff away and save it for next time. And I have a little cash tray here. I have my savings binder. I need to grab my little savings. Well, this is where I keep all the stuff I use in my savings challenges. And I should be good to go. Okay, so I got all ones just to make this a little bit easier for me to put this into, like what I can put it wherever I want basically without having to worry about the denomination. Sorry, the bills are all the wrong way. I didn't fix it. But yeah, I'm just going to take this and put it into savings challenges. Let me just fix this really quick. Sorry. They are all over the place. They're usually not this messed up. Okay, so everything more or less is the right way. I'll put this here and just start figuring out where this is gonna go. I think what I'm gonna do first is play a little roll the dice and see if I can maybe do this a couple of times and see where I'm at. So I'll do 2 rolls and see what that gets me. And then the money will just immediately go in here, which is cool. So I get to play as I go, which is fun. All right, so I'm gonna just roll both of these and see what I get. So a 4 and a 1, so that's $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I will color in a 4 and a 1. So we have 1 here and a 4 here. Perfect. And this will go in here. I'm thinking, should I do another roll? I want each challenge to get something. So let's do this one next and I'll come back to if I'm going to do another roll. This one I'm going to put 10. These are worth 5. I'm doing a $5 challenge for this. So I'm going to do 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got a really nice dollar right there. Let me count this again. It even looks like smaller. It's so funny. This one is very dirty. Where is this one? Does it say the year on it? 2013. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that'll go in this Hot Mess Express bow little challenge. That dollar is a hot mess, so it fits into this category. Okay, so we'll do purple. I'm gonna color in 2 of these. Oh, I'm gonna do my 100 envelope next, because that one's a big one. And then the 52 circles. So I have 1 and 2. 2 bows colored in. Okay, that's another 10, thanks to this coins, the coin savings. Okay, 100 envelope, which I actually don't even have with me. Let me go grab that. All right, so 100 envelope. What can I do in here? All right, so I usually do 10, but I want to leave 10 open because that's a good amount for me to plan to stuff for, but then I end up putting more in. So I like 10 and 5s. So I'm gonna go, let's see, what number do I have? I have 15. I think I might do 15. Let's see. 1, this is really crispy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I really don't want to stick like this full amount in there because I don't want it to be too tight in this 15 spot. So what I'm gonna do is I do have change that I can use just to make change for myself. Also, I'm gonna write down 10, 15, what did I do? 4 and 1. I'm writing down just to keep track of what I'm putting in because I don't have like a little tracker for that, and I think I want to make sure I did put 55 in and I didn't mess up. So let me count this again because again, these are very sticky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I'm going to swap this 15 for this 15 just so that it's nicer going into this envelope that's going back to the bank. Okay, so 15 in here. Oh, you know what? Okay, so I'm gonna jot this stuff down, but I do want to keep track of it in some way in my planner. I just don't know yet how, so that's why I'm doing it just on this piece of this envelope. That was 100 envelope. I know, I didn't think ahead of this, honestly, because I do like keeping track of what I'm doing, just so I can review it. Okay, and this was, the 15 was for, oh, see, I wrote it twice. 10, goodness, was the Hot Mess Challenge. Okay, so I've done 10 for the Hot Mess Challenge, the $5 challenge for me. Roll the Dice got 4 and 1, and 100 Envelope got 15. Those are the only ones I've done so far. Okay. I will make a little tracker, some kind of sheet. I always make sheets and stuff. I just want to be able to maybe add it, maybe have something like this tracker that I've been doing. Maybe do like coin savings so I can keep track of how much I've saved. Oh yes, that's a good idea. To keep track of how much I've been able to save just from not using coins. I'm going to work on that. So if you're on my Patreon, you're going to see probably that sheet come out once I have that figured out. Yeah. All right, next one I'm going to do is the 52 circle. Right now, so far, I've spent 10, 5, and 15, $30 from here. Let's see, what should I do? Okay, let's do 13, lucky number 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm just gonna double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, that's going in this challenge. And this, I don't mind if there are a bunch of ones because I'll eventually condense it. And then I'm just gonna color this in 13. I was born on the 13th, so for me, I do think that is lucky, not unlucky. Okay, so that is the 52 circle. So let me, while that dries right here, 13 went into 52 circle. Okay, so that one can go in here now. Slowly getting this one done. Okay, and then I have the last few challenges I have are the $10 challenge. I'm going to do 10 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no, did I mess this up? 55. Hold on. So I have 10, 4, 15, 13, 10. Oh yeah, I did mess this up. Okay, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna just go with it. Okay, so $10 in here. I was hoping to get something in each challenge, but I think the only one that won't get something is the $1 challenge, which I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. So this one will get one little piggy colored in. Okay. I'm restocking these, so if you watch my videos, I announced a restock date, but I'm thinking I might have to push it back. Just a little heads up, because I didn't realize, like, I shouldn't have put my restock so close to my trip. There's just, I'm running out of time, basically. So I'm thinking I'm going to push it till, like, the end of the week. So I was planning on doing it the Monday, the 19th, but it might be either Thursday or Friday of that week. But I will keep you posted on what that actual date is when that comes. But yeah, I'm just a little behind schedule, unfortunately. It happens. Okay, so I did 10 in the, this is my $10 savings challenge. So I should do these. That was $1, that was $1, that was 10 in the $10 challenge. The pig challenge. Okay, so let me just make sure my math is correct, because for some reason I thought I had more and I didn't. I messed up on my math. 53, yeah, that's right. Okay, so I'm left with $2, and this I will put into Cash Dash. I think I have a Cash Dash that I can color in for $2. I think I do. We shall see. Pretty sure I do. Let's see, May. All right, so here's Cash Dash. Oops. Okay, I do have a $2, yeah, right here. I'm really kind of coloring in those twos, getting rid of those twos, but that's okay. At least I have fives. Fives is, I think, a good number for me to still have a lot open. So I'm just gonna color in this 2 here with a marker. Where's my markers? Oh no, I lost the color. Oh no. What did I do with it? Oh, here it is. Okay. here it is. I just want to make sure I was using the same color so my eyeliner. So this 2 section will be this $2 here. And I'm coloring in. And this is from my friend Ilysse's Cash Dash book, which you can get on Amazon. Actually, it was on sale recently, but even at its regular price, it's a very affordable book with lots of savings challenges in them. Fun savings challenges like this that you can color in, because I love a coloring in savings challenge. I don't want to just check something off. I want to color it in, you know. That's a little bit more, that's more fun, basically. Okay, so I did $2 in the Cash Dash. That's a total of $55 on my lovely little envelope notes here. Okay, so that is it. $55 extra went into my savings thanks to all those coins that I saved. I have other videos. I know I have another video where I did this same thing too. So if you look back, if you search back and you see the date on when that was, actually, let me see when the last time that I did a coin savings challenge was, just to see coins. Okay, the last time I did one was in October. Yeah, October. So that's the last time that I did this whole process. I think I had more then too, because in my picture it looks like a lot in there. But yeah, that one, I don't remember how much I saved on there. But again, when I have that little sheet, then I will have a record of it. So I'm looking forward to that. So October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. So 7 months that it took me to get that $55 with the change. And it was just me just tossing it in my coin bag in my purse, never touching it and just dumping it out and just saving it that way. It's a little bit, but a little bit goes a long way. It's helping me to fill these challenges, which is good. And it's just an extra way of saving without realizing that you're saving, you know? So I like that part. Because it's like, ooh, money. I have a whole bunch of money here that I didn't even realize I had. $55 is a decent amount of money. So glad I was able to get that into these challenges and share with you how I was able to put that into each one. I hope you enjoyed watching. Hopefully I was inspired you to do the same maybe. At least I know a lot of people always ask me like, what do I do if I don't have money to save, like extra money to save? I feel like the best way to save is to obviously pay in cash and then just using that change and just saving it, just slowly saving it, because it's, you know, I really don't want to deal with coins too much. So you know, you just put it in a little jar and you collect it, and then you'll have like a decent amount whenever it is that whatever goal you're setting for yourself, like if you were trying to fill it up. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.